Hello and good morning, Maui. Jumping into things, our 1030 high pressure has moved far away as our new high pressure and low are just about to hit the islands. If you look down at the wind gradient next to the islands, you see that it started to increase with some of these extra features. You can see it's a little windier right here, and that just means our winds might be a little stronger today out of the east. Our summit is blowing 17, not too windy. We look at the big island sounding. We see a fairly decent, but probably still not easy or epic. Looking at Kauai, it looks like some old weather. Nice diabatic line all the way up to 5,000 feet. And a small inversion. So that would be decent for some places, but again, not quite happening. From the south, you're going to see a large wall of clouds coming up and a little developing on the islands. As we get a more detailed view, you'll see how this is growing and extending from the big island all the way into the other islands. It looks like it's going to continue to grow. Our current rains are pretty localized to the east north shore, following that nice line that we see typically, typical trade showers. Our satellite image is showing that big stretch of moisture from the big island moving towards us. Same is seen on the big blue. Checking out wind grew, we still have east winds fairly strong with that west swell coming in at 2.5 meters. Also showing it to have some sporadic high clouds, 70-50%. Again, the third line is high clouds with some rain. Oh no! Tides are again high today and then low all throughout the day. Maybe some wakeboard tricks. It's been a while. It would be nice if someone cleaned Mama's beach cam. Looks like there's some waves. Probably be the spot where I end up today. Our local buoy still showing that east swell at 9 foot 10 seconds, but behind it and in between it is that 17-second northwest swell. It did finally hit the islands. It hit us somewhere last evening for those first couple around 7 p.m.-ish, but right now it's maintaining at 6 foot 16 seconds northwest, which is pretty good. I think it's a little west, so it probably isn't the greatest at Hokipa. And finally, our sun for close. Looks broke. No, I don't know. Nice filament line, coronal hole. Not too much action. Partial sunspot from yesterday. Little bubbles, but should be a pretty mellow day in the sun. Yeah. Typical Maui kind of rainy, squally east day. I think the best things to do is probably surf and kite somewhere. So have a good day, guys. Bye.